You ever think that XRP's price is stuck? It seems like someone is setting the price. A lot of people agree with you. We're also going to look into what might be keeping the price of XRP where it is. Jake Claver has this movie and a whole thread about it. I would like to talk about this now. Let's watch the movie first to get a better idea of what Jake is thinking about why the price is staying the same. In the short term, having a lot of dark pools in crypto is both good and bad. It can hide movement that is going up, which slows down price action. But in the long run, it sets up the right situation: invisible accumulation, decreasing supply, and then the dam breaks. Then there is a huge move to the top that not many people are ready for. So let's talk about that in the movie today and bust some dark pool myths. As you look at the markets, you may be wondering why crypto isn't going through the roof. The prices feel stuck even though there is a lot of news and acceptance. But today I'm going to show you why dark pools are working to keep prices low right now, and why one of the biggest price explosions we've ever seen will happen when they break. What does a dark pool mean? Let's say you want to buy $500 million 0 cents worth of XRP and don't want the market to get there before you. That's where the dark pools are. Dark pools are private places where big trades are carried out instead of on a public market. Institutions use it to keep the market from changing and to avoid FOMO. It's pretty much buying without being seen. Trades are only made public after they are done, not during them. Don't make noise, smart money. They build up in silence. The way they talk their book right now is in dark pools. A lot of institutions are getting into crypto, but they need the safety and speed of these dark pools to do it the way they want to. These services are now available to business clients from Connex, SFox, and Kraken. Also, there are some other cool things going on, like the RIN protocol, which is creating decentralized versions of these dark pools right now. These are the guys who are coming in. It's possible for hedge funds, family offices, and even countries to quietly buy up things without making the price go up or down and making everyone run after them. And they want to keep buying at these prices before things really start to move. Here for electricity, the stock market won't show you what's going on. People who buy a lot can be seen in the public market, and they make the price go up a lot. People who want to buy are hidden in dark ponds. In this market, prices stay the same, which is what we're seeing now. It's not exciting for retail investors, and there's no fear of missing out FOMO. Instead, a lot of other people, including retail investors and banks, buy. Since a lot of XRP is being stored on the back end, prices may be held back a lot right now. But the price movement doesn't seem to be moving. That means stores will be angry. Some people are going to sell. In crypto, this is when people lose hope and move on to the next thing, even if they are very sure of what they believe. However, I believe that what follows will surprise you if you can hold on. Dark pools have a lot of bad press and negative opinions out there right now, but I'm going to explain why they're actually going to be great for those who can use them. They can hang out and enjoy the benefits. There will be a vertical liftoff when they flip the switch, and people who are waiting will quickly run out of money. These groups are quietly building up, which means that it takes money out of public markets. At some point, there will be more demand than supply on the exchanges, and prices will have to be changed quickly. There will be a shock to the supply. There will be a quick move up of 2, 3, or 5x. If there are no buyers, the price will have to go up a lot. And dark pool accumulation is a delayed mechanism that will keep buying stock and adding to it without changing the price on the public exchanges. Once the dark pools are no longer a source of material, they will have to move over here. The big move will happen then. If you think about crypto's future based on what you see on platforms right now, you're wrong. These dark pools are where the real buying takes place. Be calm and stay where you are. Make sure you don't rush to buy it at $10 0 cents when you could have gotten it for 50 cents when the dam breaks. Okay, wonderful. There are more dark ponds now than ever before. I adore Twitter. Okay. A rise in dark pools and crypto is kind of a double-edged sword. He pretty much said everything in this thread that he said in this video. I'm going to put a link to the post at the end of this description. Please read this all if you want to. I just don't want to say everything again because I value your time very much. Still, I wanted to look at this. This is pretty juicy. Bitcoin and Ethereum will not be affected by EU crypto rules. The Central Bank of Ireland said in a speech that MiCA will not cover all crypto assets. Some of the most well-known crypto assets, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, are not regulated because they don't have a clear owner. This means that Bitcoin and Ethereum will not be in line with MiCA's rules. That's why I wanted to look at this paper. I found this paper and what was said here to be confusing. Just so you know, here is the paper. It has everything in it. I believed what this person said. I asked, is this true? This information is correct, yes. Based on the papers and sources, Bitcoin and Ethereum will not be covered by the EU markets in crypto or MiCA bill because they do not have a clear issuer. According to the documents and Mary Elizabeth McMunn's speech as Deputy Governor of the Central Bank of Ireland, mejor will not cover all crypto assets. Some of the most well-known crypto assets like Bitcoin and Ether will not be regulated because they do not have a clear issuer. A little more about the speech here. You don't need to take this too seriously, but I did check that this was passed. I did want to see what assets are going to be looked at. It does say XRP below. Let's do that. Several trustworthy crypto news sites and legal summaries have confirmed what the Deputy Governor of the Central Bank of Ireland said in public. Bitcoin and Ethereum are not covered. In fact, this is very true. MiCA is set up to oversee crypto assets that don't have a clear owner or company behind them. This doesn't apply to all decentralized assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. It says that MiCA is the EU's complete plan for controlling crypto assets. It's also meant to cover tokens that have clear issuers, like stablecoins or tokens released by companies like XRP and Ripple. MiCA doesn't cover Bitcoin and Ethereum because they are decentralized networks that don't have a central power that issues new coins. It was really, really cool to see. That EU, this has been in MiCA's language for a while now, right? They've thought about this for a long time. It doesn't look like Bitcoin and Ethereum will be added when they pass this. That doesn't